Look at the state of this fucking shit in here. This is the worst one. I think so anyway. Look at that horrible, horrible, horrible mess. The builder's rubble buried underneath it. I really have got to purge this place. This is the last of the shit coming out of here. Unbelievable. Look at that. The boys down. The lintel's in nice in the top. And the floor's coming out. Look at that horrible floor. Fucking yucky. Look at the rubbish in the shit and the crap that goes in there. It ain't buried in the garden, it's buried under the floor. So this tells you a bit more about the dirt and the shit that we've been dealing with in this place. Now the floor joists are out. That's the dog shit that we've been dealing with in here. This is what is underneath the floors. All rubble buried and shit put everywhere. You've just got to be seen to be believed, doesn't it? Still, hopefully that's the last of it.
That much joist work come out there, isn't there? Really, think about it. That's all of it. So all the floor there. No, not a lot, is it? Not as much as you think.
Actually, Mike, give us a bit of spit.
It's not finished yet.
No, don't matter. That awful very cheesy actually. All nice and easy, very Okay, there's your patio doors. So what you've got here is your two sockets, your Wi-Fi in the middle and your points underneath for the wine chiller. Anything else that might want to go there, the dishwasher, but otherwise the dishwasher can go the other side with 2 points there. And there's 2 more points underneath. There's 3 points in the corner for under cabinet stuff. That one is your extractor hob, and by the way that's a hole we drilled out, all that. That one there is your sockets, the other side of the cooker. The cooker will be here, so that's your socket there, and there's your point underneath for the igniter on the gas cooker. That there will be your thick cable to run your double oven. And then moving over to this side here, obviously you've got the doorway and you've got the switch, but you've then got the point at the top to run the American fridge freezer, but you've got another point underneath in case there's another appliance or something that needs to be going in the side. And obviously 1, 2, that was taken out because we've got to drill a hole there, but 3 and 4 are the under cupboard lighting. Now I think I've thought of everything. We've got the spotlights in the ceiling and we've got the central light that's going to be hanging down, say 3 of them over the breakfast bar. And that's about it really. And the pipe that I bought this morning, cost nearly 100 quid for this pipe, is the pieces of pipe there which are going to go in the extractor. Anyway, that's about it really, I guess. Yeah, so that sort of tells you what's going on over there. We'll plank this out on Monday, get all them in, get the ceiling up, and that's it.